Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Blender versus Fusion 360 for 3D printing. So first up, we have Blender. It's a free open source 3D graphics suite launched in 1998. Blender shines in creating organic shapes like characters or artistic models. Thanks to its sculpting and texturing tools, it's versatile with features for animation, rendering, and video editing. However, its interface can feel complex and precise mechanical designs aren't its strengths. For 3D printing, add-ons like the 3D Print Toolbox help export STL files. Next, we have Fusion 360. Developed by Autodesk in 2013, it's a cloud-based CAD/CAM tool, free for hobbyists earning under $100,000 a year. Otherwise, $4.95 annually. Fusion excels at precise functions designs like gears or prototypes with parametric modeling for easy adjustment. Its intuitive interface and built-in 3D printing tools make it a favorite for engineers, but it's less suited for organic or artistic models. So how do they compare? Blender's free and ideal for artistic organic prints, but its learning curve and lack of precision can frustrate technical users. Fusion 360's parametric tools and precisions make it perfect for functional parts, but is limited for creative sculpting. If you are printing detailed figures or game assets, go with Blender for mechanical or prototype prints. Fusion 360 is your pick. Check out our comparison chart below. Both tools are powerful, so choose based on your project's needs. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.